for those of you who don't know, I can solve a Rubik's Cube. And just to show that like I'm not looking at anything to help myself, you can see nothing is back here. It's just the wall. Nothing is back behind me or to either side. There's the cat. You might have seen him walking by. So here we go. Let's scramble it up. Getting a really good scramble. So here you go. It's completely scrambled. Now, let's start. First starting with getting the white cross, because that's how you always want to start when trying to solve a Rubik's Cube. There's a line. We also want to make sure that, hold on, let me get this corner piece out of here. There we go. You also want to make sure that the edges of the pieces are touching the center piece, as I'm showing here. Whoa, there we go. And just keep doing that. So there's the white cross done. Oh wait, now it's done. Now I need to work on the white corners. Whatever. Ooh. I just messed it all up, of course I did. Okay, I think I evaded that crisis. Okay, red, blue goes here. Blue, orange should go here. Yes. Oh, never mind. Let's see. Yes, okay. That's really good. Okay. Wait, what happened to the other one? I don't know. I don't really care right now. Let's just continue solving. There it is. is the white side done. And then I need to work on the second layer. I just flipped it upside down here. Alright, let me get the good colors that we need out real quick with a pretty simple algorithm you can use. You might know it. It's
Hey Luke, I'm jumping in the shower.
okay. It's
Hey, P.S. I got the fuel too.
I'm literally recording. Sorry. It's right side up. Right side up, top side left, right side down, top side right. So let me just undo that real quick. Alright, let's see here. That needs to get out. That's the other one. Okay. Smooth this out. That way, right, up, left, down, right, up, right, down, left. Oh, that piece. And there we go, there's the entire second layer done. Now we just have this layer. Now I need to start working on the yellow cross, which is pretty simple too. Maybe if this video gets enough support, I will post a tutorial on how to solve one of these if you want. Okay, cool. There's the yellow cross done without affecting anything else. Now I need to work on getting the edges of the yellow cross to match up. Like, this one is, but this one isn't. So, let's see. Nope. 1, 2. Okay, that's good. Alright, this needs to go boom, 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 boom. Up, right, down. Now can they line up? Yes, now all of those edges are lined up. Cool. Now these two corners are done. The only thing left of the cube are these two corner pieces. So, oh nice, they're already in the right spot. I can just solve it now. So all you have to do is just go. Well, I can't really show you, it's a little hard. Okay. Dang it. And there it is, completely solved. Hope you enjoyed that video. Wait, there we go. And thank you for watching, I guess. Again, nothing here, completely solved. Maybe I'll do a 2x2 in the next video.